That's a big sub. How heavy were those?
They're 140 a piece.
Woo.
That's why the box is messed up, dude. They're heavy.
You gotta be a muscle man to do that. Wow. Could you tell me your name? And holy moly, that's some big subs.
Brent, last time you were in here, it was 2 Scar ZBX 15s.
Okay.
We're on 4 Resilient Sound Team 15s, 2 MD8Ks.
What are those subs? 5,000 watt RMS?
Man. Yeah, they're
wow.
575.
So you inverted them? Is there a reason you did
the
that?
box is a little small.
Okay.
Yeah. We still got to build a box.
And you're tearing up everything.
Tearing it up.
You might have to eventually lose the sunroof.
It's coming. I just hadn't had time yet.
Yes, sir.
But
use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
easy, I busted my...
Oh, already?
Already.
Very nice. See, you got some work already done on it.
Oh yeah.
And you got your back seats.
Well, it's getting ready to come out with the new box. New box will be a lot bigger.
So what is your power you're running?
2 MD8Ks. I was on 2, and I was on each one. I just hadn't bought 2 more amps yet. Man 370, 120 bank, ying long.
Okay.
Definitely need 2 more amps.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Okay. 2 15s to double the cone area, and then also the motor force is probably 10x or more.
I can't wait till it's done.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure. Big project.
Oh, yeah, appreciate it.
What was your name?
Brent.
Brett.
Yes,
awesome. Thank you. Everybody give Brett a like. Do YouTube videos there. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
And then she already got under the hood. I like to see everything, you know I am.
Oh, yeah.
Nice doors, too. Wow, that was windy. Look at those motors, and you got it right at the line. Very nice. So you said this box is actually small?
A little small. Yeah.
For the power, I'm guessing? Because you just, or is it just...
It's a little smaller than what the subs want.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. That's a big sub. How heavy were those?
They're 140 a piece.
Woo.
That's why the box is messed up, dude. They're heavy.
You gotta be a muscle man to do that. Wow. Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Brett system. He was at the Sundown audio show showcasing this system. Insane amount of motor force with these amazing 140-pound subwoofers in this SUV, and pretty crazy that he was able to fit 4 of them inside of here. So be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I went on their main Resilient Sound site. That was the specs of it if you want to pause it and read real quick. And notice the way he has his back port. Instead of having subs up, port back, he has actually port up with the subs because of the amount of space the box took up. And the size of that magnet, that's a really good perspective, seeing that magnet size versus the actual soda can. So give him a like. Really impressive demo he gave. He was actually breaking his top of his sunroof. The glass area you'll see during the demo, it's just pretty much shaking apart from so much flex. Actually crazy to see the glass didn't break. Really big lithium bank. I didn't get to see where the amplifiers were because I'm assuming they're hidden behind the seat. But that's 120 amp hours of lithium Yinglong that he has ran into the system. And it sounds like he's going to be doing a sub per amp with 8K per sub. And notice the way the subwoofer is inverted. Anybody has an idea, if your box is ever a little small, try inverting it and see if it has a little bit more output out of it. So 16,000 watts on 4 15-inch subwoofers. We're getting to this demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos on JacobViral and enjoy.
and then down.
You're definitely tearing some stuff up, man. I appreciate the demo, man. Wow, you're going up a lot, like, since the last time. From 215s to double the cone area, and then also the motor force is probably 10x or more.
Yeah. I can't wait till it's done.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. Big project.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
Brett.
Brett.
Yes,
awesome. Thank you. Everybody give Brett a like to YouTube videos. Hey, have a good day, Brett.